Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 waterproof smartphones. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 1. Best overall phone. Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max. The Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max tops our list as the best overall waterproof phone. It has a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with 2770 8x1284 resolution, and features ProMotion, which can refresh the display from 10 to 120 times per second. Powered by the A15 Bionic processor with a 5-core GPU reserved for the flagship models, and combined with a 120Hz refresh rate, the phone is perfect for power gamers. With the best battery life ever on an iPhone, get up to 28 hours of video playback and recharge with 15-watt MagSafe wireless, 7.5-watt Qi wireless, or 20-watt fast charging. The Pro camera system gets its biggest upgrade ever with next-level hardware, including a 12-megapixel ultra-wide rear camera with a redesigned lens and powerful autofocus system that can focus at just 2 centimeters, a 12-megapixel wide camera that leverages a LiDAR scanner for night mode portraits, and a 12-megapixel telephoto camera with a 77mm focal length and 3 times optical zoom. Combined with the 12-megapixel true depth front camera that has all the features of the Pro camera system, the phone will change the way you shoot. You'll also be able to take advantage of recording 4K video with Dolby Vision HDR and cinematic mode to bring out the cinematographer in you. Additionally, options of up to 1TB storage ensure you can capture all your favorite moments. And industry-leading IP68 rating as well as ceramic shield protection let you bring the phone on all your adventures. If you want the top option in the market, the Apple iPhone 13 Pro Max holds the title. Number 2. Best Android phone. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is our pick as the best Android waterproof phone. Take your must-see content to the next level on its 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 1440 by 3088 resolution that's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and the smoothest adaptive 120Hz display with Vision Boost to optimize brightness and color contrast. Snap, switch, stream, and surf with the speed of a 4nm octa-core processor, and select from options up to 16GB RAM and up to 1TB storage. The Galaxy Pro grade camera consists of a 108-megapixel wide rear camera, 12-megapixel ultra-wide rear camera, 2 10-megapixel telephoto rear cameras, and a 40-megapixel selfie camera. Capture the night with crystal clear bright pics and vivid videos using the nightography camera. Correct shakes better than ever for steady clarity in each frame with smooth video, and let the revolutionary AI take you 100 times closer to the action with the new dual telezoom system. Take full control over your shots by saving raw files directly to the gallery and fine-tune them on your phone or edit them on your PC. Work, play, and do your thing from one day into the next with a massive 5000 mAh battery that intelligently saves power and is incapable of super fast charging with a 45-watt power adapter, fast wireless charging 2.0, and wireless power share. For the first time ever, the iconic S Pen now fits right into the phone. Eject it from the bottom of the phone to take notes, sketch, edit content with precision, or control your phone. Stereo speakers let you enjoy surround sound with Dolby Atmos technology, and an IP68 rating ensures the phone and S Pen are adequately protected from water and dust. If you're looking for a top-notch Android experience, you can't go wrong with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Be sure to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for the most recent prices. Number 3. Best camera phone. Google Pixel 6 Pro. The Google Pixel 6 Pro is our recommendation as the waterproof phone with the best camera. It has a 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with 1080 by 2400 resolution, and supports HDR, smooth display 120Hz, 24-bit color depth, 16 million colors, and greater than 1 million to 1 contrast ratio. The phone is powered by the Google Tensor chip, giving you 80% faster performance than its predecessor, with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. Get over 24 hours of use with the 5003 mAh battery, and up to 48 hours with the Extreme Battery Saver feature. The battery supports fast charging with the Google 30-watt USB-C charger, fast wireless charging, and is Qi certified. It also features battery share to charge other devices wirelessly. Equipped with a 50-megapixel Octa PD quad bay wide camera, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 48-megapixel telephoto camera, and an 11.1-megapixel front camera, the phone utilizes bigger sensors to help capture more color, more detail, and 150% more light than the previous generation. Say goodbye to photo bombers with the Magic Eraser features, which can remove strangers and unwanted objects in Google Photos. Use motion mode to add more action to your shots, face unblur blur to capture your favorite faces without the blur, and portrait mode to add an artful blur to the background. Live Translate lets you explore other words or languages. Get your chats translated in real time, listen to podcasts with translated captions, and even use your camera to read signs in up to 55 languages. Count on Corning Gorilla Glass Victus to protect your phone with 2 times better scratch resistance, and the IP68 rating to take on a little dust and water with no problems. If you want the top performing camera to capture all the excitement, look no further than the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Number 4. Best all-around phone, OnePlus 9 Pro. The OnePlus 9 Pro is our selection as the best all-around waterproof phone. It has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 3216 by 1440 resolution. Fluid Display 2.0 features LTPO technology and is the pinnacle of mobile displays. You'll be able to see and feel the difference with true-to-life detail and ultra-smooth responsiveness with Smart 120Hz and Display P3. Optimized for performance, the phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. Combined with the display technology, you'll be able to enjoy ultra-low latency and incredible refresh rates to elevate your gaming. It features the Hasselblad camera for mobile system, which consists of a 48-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 8-megapixel telephoto, and 2-megapixel monochrome camera. Designed for beginners to the most demanding professionals, you'll be able to capture extraordinary scenes with its natural calibration feature and freeform lens. The phone also has a 16-megapixel front camera, so you can take lifelike portraits and can record hyper-realistic 8K video. The 4500 mAh battery supports Warp Charge 65T, giving you a day's worth of power in 15 minutes, and Warp Charge 50 wireless for fast and convenient wireless charging. Experience bold and seamless fusion of form and function with Oxygen OS, immerse yourself in spatial audio with Dolby Atmos sounds, and rest assured your phone is well protected with its IP68 rating. If you're looking for a great performing option to keep up with your everyday life, the OnePlus 9 Pro is sure to please. Take a moment to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 5. Best budget phone, Google Pixel 5a. The Google Pixel 5a is our pick as the best budget waterproof phone. It has a 6.34-inch OLED display with 2400 by 1080 resolution that's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and supports HDR, 24-bit color depth, 16 million colors, greater than 100,000:1 contrast ratio. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G processor with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and a Titan M security module, the phone uses enterprise-grade security to help protect your most sensitive data. Take photos and videos you can be proud of with its 8-megapixel front camera and 12.2-megapixel dual-pixel rear camera, and never worry about leaning back to take the shot or bunching in to fit in the frame again with its 16-megapixel ultra-wide rear camera, which uses software to automatically correct lens distortion. Capture rich, stunning detail even after sundown with the Night Sights Portraits feature. Adjust brightness and position of the light for a more professional look with Portrait Light in the Google Photos app, and use Cinematic Pan to remove the shakiness while you're filming. Use 18-watt fast charging to quickly power up the 4680 mAh battery and combine the adaptive battery and extreme battery saver features to squeeze out up to 2 days of use on the phone. Take advantage of super fast 5G, letting you download a full movie in seconds, game on the go, and share moments with Google Duo. And count on the IP67 rating to protect the phone from the splish and the splash. If you're looking for an affordable option to take on your adventures, the Google Pixel 5a will suit your needs. That's it for our list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check the links below to support the channel. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.